Hello everybody, Tahir here. Well, finally made a new video because I finally have Samsung phone. Um, basically, I moved into a new place with my brother Raul and my mom, and finally, I want to say thank you everybody that sent the sneakers to me. I'm going to do a review on the sneakers produced by my friend Spice13 from YouTube that sent me all pair of his sneakers and do a review because I'm very thankful. This is the bed that I live in right now. Um, we found the box in the recycle, and it's all we have right now. But I have the lovely support of my friends on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, brand new Michael Jordan sneakers. Why can't you give me no pair? Why? I don't deserve a new pair of Michael Jordan sneakers. I don't deserve. And it's so beautiful people give me them. And it's so nice to me. There's no Michael Jordans that somebody give me. It's not brand new like the box, but they're like new. And they're my favorites because it's from your heart.